Mizoram's stand, protecting forests and rights, explained. Recently, the Mizoram Assembly took a significant step in safeguarding the interests and rights of its people by overwhelmingly approving a resolution that rejects the Forest Conservation Amendment Act, 2023. This amendment had raised concerns as it allowed for the rerouting of forest areas for the construction of highways, railroads, and strategically important linear projects near India's external boundaries or lines of control without the need for forest clearance. The implications of this rejection and its applicability in the Northeastern region are crucial topics of discussion. Applicability of Forest Conservation Act, FCA, in Northeast. The Forest Conservation Act of 1980 has been a contentious issue in the Northeastern region. While it permits forest diversion for various projects, special constitutional safeguards, such as Article 371G for Mizoram and Article 371A for Nagaland, apply throughout the region. These safeguards protect Naga and Mizo customary law, ownership, and transfer of land and its resources. Any law passed by Parliament that interferes with these safeguards can only be applied if the Legislative Assemblies of these states agree in a resolution. Additionally, the FCA is applicable in other northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Manipur, Meghalaya, and Tripura, all of which are 6th schedule areas. In terms of FCA clearance, Arunachal Pradesh has seen the highest usage, followed by Tripura, Assam, Manipur, Sikkim, and Meghalaya. Recorded Forest Area, RFA, and its implications. Since 1980, the FCA has led to the diversion of over 1 million hectares of forest land across India. The Godavarman case of 1996 expanded the definition of forest land under the FCA, making it applicable even to unclassified forests. In the Northeast, more than half of the region comprises recorded forest area, RFA, of which 53% are unclassified forests managed by private entities, clans, village councils, or communities under customary law. The remaining area is state-controlled woodland. Applicability of Forest Rights Act, FRA, in the Northeast. The Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers, Recognition of Forest Rights, Act, FRA, 2006 defines forest land broadly, encompassing unclassified forests, undemarcated forests, protected forests, and more. However, except for Assam and Tripura, none of the northeastern states have implemented the FRA fully. This act provides traditional forest tenure rights and legal stability to forest communities. The way forward. In the past, for forest diversion requests to be accepted, the Environment Ministry required FRA implementation and the Gram Sabha's prior knowledge and permission. However, recent developments have changed the dynamics. The Ministry's 2022 Forest Conservation Rules abolished the need for FRA compliance before final approval. Moving forward, the implementation of FRA can provide a means to safeguard forests while ensuring tenurial security for forest residents. The complex interplay of laws, constitutional safeguards, and the need for sustainable development will continue to shape the future of forest conservation in Mizoram and the broader northeastern region. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.